What's up, y'all? Welcome to another unboxing video. This one, we're going to check out Ichigo Kurosaki from Bleach. This is a MacFarlane figure. So let's check it out. So here we have Ichigo. Again, like I said, this is a MacFarlane figure. This is Ichigo from Bleach, the Thousand-Year Blood War. Here's the figure. It comes with another set of extra hands and his Zanpakuto. And this is basically what's on the box. Some art of Ichigo and same picture, just you see all of them. Here's his name. There's a bottom and a window at the top. But yeah, they've only so far made two figures, Ichigo and the main big bad Yaruich. Hopefully I said that right. But let's open them up, check them out. And here's Ichigo out of the box. The one thing that is a surprise to me is his outfit. It's all soft goods. It's not a hard plastic, except for his belt right here and the little harness right here. But yeah, this is all soft goods. We'll take a look at that here in a moment. Looking at some of the accessories, here is one of the alternate fists that he comes with. And here is his Zanpakuto. This is a real soft plastic. It's real bendy. So you don't have to worry about it snapping or breaking. Little pointy here, but I mean, again, it's just real soft, real malleable. And then, like all of MacFarlane's figures, most of the time comes with these foot stands. There you see Bleach, Thousand-Year Blood War. Nothing new or fancy about this, but let's check out the figure. So yeah, I'm going to go over articulation, but let me know in the comments down below. Are you a fan of Bleach? Have you watched Thousand-Year Blood War? I did. I was looking forward to it, and some of the stuff that happens right away is crazy. But yeah, overall, it's really good. The one thing that you just saw me with the arm, which is nice with this, is I thought that once I got to a certain point, I wouldn't be able to move his arm all the way around, but no, clearly I can, which is real nice. The elbows bend all the way, which is great. And the soft goods is real nice. It is velcroed back here, so if you wanted to remove it or whatever, you can. The belt does kind of float around, but that's nothing major. Yeah, it moves pretty good. Nice twist. The leg. Yeah, it'll come up about that much. Not a whole lot of back. And comes out to the side all the way. Unfortunately, there is no thigh swivel. but the bend at the knee all the way. And their feet do flex pretty good, comes up all the way. And I will say there is a pivot to the ankle. It would have been nice if there was a pivot at the toes, but not too bad. But overall, I think this figure is pretty good for the price point. The fisted hands, I don't know, I might use one during posing. I would have liked to have seen more relaxed hands because with this Ichigo, I don't know how many times I've actually seen him hitting something with his fists, but I guess some accessories is better than none at all. But yeah, let's get him into some poses. And here's Ichigo in just a basic vanilla pose. Sword on his shoulder. The one thing I forgot to go over is the hands will twist, but it would have been nice if there was a hinge, to do some slashing motions. But, for the price point again, I guess that's okay. But let's get him into another pose. You can see here, Ichigo can hold his sword with both hands. The articulation overall is pretty good. It would have been nice maybe to get an alternate head, with him making more of other than just a stoic face. But again, I really do like the soft goods. It helps with the look of Ichigo instead of just using a hard plastic. And I'm glad that the soft goods isn't too restrictive. It is fairly loose. Some other companies that make their soft goods costumes kind of hinder the articulation a little bit. Here's another pose with Ichigo. Overall, figure is pretty good. I like it for the price point. Is it perfect? No. I kind of wish it came with other alternate hands. Will I pick up more? It depends if he's going to do any other characters. Like I said earlier, right now it's just Ichigo and you got to reach. I don't know if he has any plans to do any of the other characters. If he does, I might pick him up because some of these other companies are being slow on putting out some of the other figures I would like to have. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the figure in the comments down below. But Simo says, collect what you like. Be awesome to one another. Till the next video. Bonkai!